I don't always drink water, but when I do, I drink platypus. In this video I'm going to be comparing two of the more popular gravity-fed water filtration systems, the Katadyn Base Camp 6 liter and the Platypus Gravity Works 4 liter. I've thoroughly tested both of these. I put at least 100 days on each one, and for me there's a clear winner. As you can see, the Katadyn model is leaking a little bit. There's just a pinhole leak or two in the material. This one is not leaking at all, so point platypus. They both connect to a reservoir with this surgical tubing with the same stopper system in both. You just click to stop the flow. I'm going to do that right now. Stop both up, plug them in. Both of these have about 4 liters of water in them for a relatively even comparison in terms of the pressure that's coming behind. Another advantage of the Platypus model is that it comes with a reservoir. It's a complete system. The Katadyn, you have to get some kind of reservoir. I've used these like 4 liter just cheap grocery store jugs before. Obviously this is not the best for a backcountry trip. It does not collapse. I've also tried a soft plastic collapsible reservoir, and it started to break, and it was just larger than I wanted. It wasn't designed for this. The Platypus is designed perfectly. It integrates right into the tube, and there's no opportunity for debris to get into this. It's clearly labeled clean. This one has a label on it that says dirty. Real simple. Both of them have a similar filter. Water is pulled by gravity through it, therefore negating the need to pump, which is something that I refuse to do. It just seems like a waste when gravity will do it for you. For the same reason I don't dry dishes. Air does that for you. Platypus has another major advantage, but first I'm going to get to the most important part, which is how fast can it filter a liter of water. Alright, just so you can see this is a fair fight, I'm going to open the clips at the exact same time. Okay, that's it. Okay, so there's the Katadyn. Did a really good job actually. That's 1,000 mils right there. I'm going to dump this out and check how much is in the other one. Alright, I've got the clean reservoir here. There's definitely less than a liter in here. Yep, more or less half. About 550 mils. So the Katadyn evidently won that, which is contrary to the point that I was intending to make, but this isn't a sponsored pitch or anything. I'm just telling what I've seen in my experience. Buy whichever one you want, I don't care. This still filtered plenty in that time. It's not like this was a turtle and this was the hare, you know. It still did an awesome job. I haven't used this one in about a year, so I'm wondering if the filter somehow cleaned itself. I don't know. Anyway, it was fast. Well done, Katadyn. But one major advantage of the Platypus, the final tipping point I think, is that you can back flush it, and which means you're clearing out the filter by running the water backward through it. And all you have to do is raise your water in this filter higher than that filter, and then gravity is going to pull the water through the filter and clean it out, which is really nice. You cannot back flush the Katadyn, and a simple back flush like that will really extend the life of your filter. And these filters are expensive. They're about $40 to $50 Canadian. When they're brand new, water just flows through them like nothing, but I like to get 2 or 3 seasons out of a filter. One other good thing about the Platypus is that it comes with a cap for this, which I have lost, but that turns this into a portable bag of water. Take it along with you in the canoe. I almost forgot, but there is one thing I do really like about the Katadyn, which is that it has a roll top, just like a dry bag. Just roll it over and then clip. The Platypus has a like a Ziploc on top, a heavy duty one. It clips together okay, but I don't really like these. I really prefer the roll top. It's not that big of a deal because I don't even usually bother sealing it very well at all. I like having the airflow come through here because it allows the water to be displaced faster. But I still kind of prefer that on the Katadyn. Stay thirsty, my friends. I don't always drink water, but when I do, I drink Platypus. Oh yeah. I told you, my friends, I don't always drink water. I told you, I don't always drink water. I don't always drink water, but when I do, I drink Platypus.